Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we embark on a celestial journey to explore the profound insights of Kepler's laws of planetary motion. In just 1 minute, we'll unveil the remarkable discoveries that revolutionized our understanding of the solar system and forever changed the course of astronomy. In the 17th century, Johannes Kepler, a brilliant German astronomer, set out to decipher the mysteries of planetary motion around the Sun. Kepler's first law, also known as the law of ellipses, reveals that planets orbit the Sun in elliptical paths, with the Sun at one of the focal points. Kepler's second law, the law of equal areas, astounds us with its simplicity and elegance. As a planet moves around the Sun, it sweeps out equal areas in equal time intervals. And now, the grand finale, Kepler's third law, the law of harmonies. This remarkable law establishes a profound connection between a planet's orbital period and its distance from the Sun. Kepler's laws provided the essential groundwork for Isaac Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation. These breakthroughs not only transformed our understanding of the solar system but laid the foundation for modern celestial mechanics. As we conclude our 1-minute journey through Kepler's laws of planetary motion, let us celebrate the brilliance of Kepler and the timeless legacy of his discoveries. Like and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening science episodes. Until next time, keep exploring the marvels of the cosmos, and remember, the secrets of the universe await those who dare to seek.